So here, to convert this image into grayscale, we'll just write, while reading it, we'll just specify comma 0. So here 0 means we are reading it into grayscale mode. So if I save this and if we run this, you will see that here we are getting this image into grayscale format, right? And here, if you don't specify anything, or even if you specify 1, that means you want to read this image in colored format. So here we are getting this colored image, right? So this is how we are going to convert from colored images to grayscale. Okay, next, let's see how we are going to save this image. Now to save this, we'll just write cv2.imwrite, cv2.imwrite, and here we'll pass this image with what name we want to save it. So we want to save it with Sundar and gray.jpg, let's say, jpg, comma, what we want to save. We want to save img. That is our image that we have converted that into grayscale. So let's give some other name. Let's give it as gray.jpg only. Let's save this and now let's run it. So our image has been saved now, right? But here, if you see, we haven't provided this 0. So it hasn't been converted into grayscale. Now let's convert that into grayscale and let's change the name also. So here we'll just write grayscale image 1. Right? Now it is in grayscale. Now let's run it. And here it is our grayscale image. And if we go to desktop, here gray1.jpg, now it is in grayscale format here, right? So here in this particular video, we have seen how to convert the images into grayscale and how to save the images as well. Here instead of JPG, you can also give PNG as well. Alright, so you can just write .png and it will be saved in PNG format.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as CodeGnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.